Hi children, welcome to Early Bird Class 8 Science Chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum Part 4 Text-based questions and answers. First one, what are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels? Answer, first point, it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through pipes. Second point, it's used for power generation. Third point, it's less polluting fuel for transport vehicles. Fourth point, it is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. Second question, name the petroleum product used for surfacing of roads. Answer, bitumen. Third question, describe how coal is formed from dead vegetation. What is this process called? Answer, about 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forests in low-lying wetland areas. Due to the natural process like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited on them, it got compressed. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants got slowly converted to coal. Fourth question, fill in the blanks. A. Fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas. B. The process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is called refining. C. Least polluting fuel for vehicle is CNG. Fifth question, take true or false against the following statements. A. Fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. Answer, false. B. CNG is more polluting fuel than petrol. Answer, false. C. Coke is almost pure form of carbon. Answer, true. D. Coal tar is a mixture of various substances. Answer, true. E. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel. Answer, false. 6. Explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Answer, fossil fuels are limited in nature and it takes millions of years for its production. Its quantity is getting decreased by different human activities. So, they are considered as exhaustible natural resources. Seventh question, describe characteristics and uses of coke. Answer, coke is a tough, porous and black substance. It's a pure form of carbon. It's used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. 8. Explain the process of formation of petroleum. Answer, petroleum is formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. Ninth question, the following table shows the total power shortage in India from 1991 to 97. Show the data in the form of a graph. Plot shortage percentage for the year on the y-axis and the year on x-axis. This is data given. 1991 the shortage was 7.9%, 92 7.8%, 93 8.3%, 94 is 7.4%, 95 7.1%, 96 9.2%, 97 11.5%. Let's draw the graph. Here in x-axis you have to write the year and in y-axis you have to write the power shortage. And you can mark the points based on the data.